Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Lapidary on a Budget. So today I'm kind of experimenting. I cut some chunks off of this beautiful piece of lace agate, as well as some Montana agates, a couple malachites, and a really cool quartz agate something that I had found. And did the rough shaping with the tile saw. Here's a piece of that malachite. Came from a really pretty piece. And there's the plume agate? Quartz? I'm not sure. Bit of a warning. I learned this after making this video. Malachite is very dangerous to work with. Don't do what I'm doing here. Do another agate or something else. Don't cut malachite. Anyway, I hooked my drill up to a large diamond wheel. I think it's 60 or 120 grit, something like that. And I use it for shaping. You can see that color in the bin. Yeah. Knowing what I know now. Anyway, after that, I used the Dremel and the Harbor Freight flex shaft with some of my copper flat laps that I made, and that worked out pretty well. They look a little rough, but that's only to the 1050 grit diamond paste I was using on those wheels. They look alright. Now, there's a lot of repetition in this, so I've cut out a lot of that, but this is the buffing stage where I go through with 5,000, 8,000, and 14,000 grit diamond paste on a wool wheel on the Dremel, and it works pretty well. Now, of course, I'm still trying to figure out how to do this better. These few handful of stones took me a full 12 hours of just sitting here and polishing away, but some of them came out really well in the end. This is that either plume agate or some sort of quartz amethyst. I don't know, but it was really pretty. Love how that turned out. This malachite turned out alright, but the other malachite that I cut turned out really pretty. It's unfortunate that this stuff is toxic and not good to cut the way I'm doing it. The lace agate, on the other hand, is a great stone for me to be learning with. Now, again, this could have gone better, but it could have gone worse. Oh, and then there's the guitar picks out of Montana agate. Some of those turned out to be really pretty. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed watching, and if you want to see more of my Lapidary on a Budget journey, feel free to subscribe. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you in the next one.